XGEN, 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 XGEN.
XGEN, XGEN, they say they don't like me. I don't blame you. If I was stuck in your bags, I hate me too. My dashboard got a chain view. While it's stacked up, yeah. So
Came through.
ain't too much that I can't do. Bitter from the mud, now the vision came true. Put a ticker on your chart like a heat map move. Whole market waiting on a drop like phase 2. Let's go. I've been on the blockchain grind, no sleep. Late nights building code while the week just tweak. From a low cap gem, now we moving elite. XGENVerse live, now the system complete. Basement living turned into a real tactician. Now I move liquidity like an algorithmic vision. They don't see the play, they just chase attention. I was building infrastructure, they was begging for mentions. I stay committed, gotta paint it bigger. Future decentralized, think way different. AI with the edge, yeah, we break the system. While they waiting for signals, we create the signal. They addicted to hype, I'm addicted to building. Tokenomics tight, yeah, the structure resilient. They was laughing at the start, now they all in their feelings. When the chart go vertical, now they saying I'm brilliant. They all know I'm back in my bag with a protocol lock. Whole ecosystem running, yeah, the code don't stop. Game on chain, I ain't never logged off. While they penicillin, I'm accumulating the top. I done came up, now I'm eating like a whale from a micro cap play. Now we telling new tales, yeah, I built it myself, never needing no sale. Now the community strong, we don't ever derail. I was in the trenches with a vision and a plan. Now I'm in the lab building systems that expand. If it ain't about growth, I don't give it my hand. I'm not chasing quick flips, I'm creating demand. I came too far to go back to the past. Back to no motion, no vision, no gas. Now I say AI tools and liquidity pass to the real builders and the winners at last.
If I was one of y'all, I'd hate me too. Built a whole ecosystem out the blue. Couple million in the vision, what it grew.
Ain't too much that I can't do. We done made a whole lot, if you need a hate cool. Put a spotlight on the chart, let it break rules. Everybody waiting on the drop like phase 2. XGEN taking over, yeah, you
Know the move.
got a real one sitting in the front, a community strong, yeah, we building what we want. I don't care about a chain if it don't run fast. I'm trying to build a whole world that'll actually last. They said I couldn't do it, but I did it again. Now the price section moving, now they y'all tapping in. Certified builder, I don't follow the trends. I create the wave, then I ride it to the end. Independent moves, yeah, they wonder how I did it. Took the code, turned it into something infinite. Turned ideas in the system with a pivot. Now we monetizing value while they scrolling and they missing. Can't nobody tell me I'm not him when I'm locked in. Whole chain getting locked in. They watching every move that I plot in, but I'm 10 steps ahead with the logic. Open up the market, we pop in. New era finance, we not boxing. Aim at the future, we locked in. XGENVerse live, they're the top wins. They say they don't like me. I don't blame you if I was stuck outside. I hate me too. From a vision
To a
the
move.
movement that grew. Now the whole world watching what we do.
Too much that I can't do.
We done made a whole lot, yeah. The proof came through.
Everybody waiting on the drop like phase 2.
XGEN taking over. Let's go.
XGEN.